AG Labs, my name is Ben. Hello, welcome, good morning to the Micro Soldering Show. And today in the morning I just did a German video. So the next days or the whole time we have Corona, the Corona situation on the earth, I will do one video in German a day and one video in English. I hope I can get this. Normally I can, so that the German viewers have some time to watch, because a lot of them can't go out of the house because of a shutdown at the moment. So we are working. we solve all the online issues, and you can mail in devices to us, so we are still working. I got an iPhone 6 here, which was mailed in because it got no signal and no IMEI. I just want to control if this is really the case, okay? So let's boot up the device and see where the problem is. So do I have a code for this device? Do I have a code for this device? Yes, I have. Okay, let's see. And we got an IMEI, and we got, what does the customer write? Okay, it tells no IMEI, no SIM. So I think that this is a problem which occurs from time to time and not always. So I want to check, because he writes he has no IMEI if he uses the code for showing the IMEI, and no SIM. But here the IMEI has been shown up, and I think it will recognize the SIM too, but it doesn't make any sense if I return the phone like that to the customer, because I'm pretty sure it will work for some days, and after that it won't work again. Guck mal, Andi, wie meine Hände schon aussehen vom Desinfektionsmittel. So, huh? Because of the disinfection, my hands are already fucked up, really. Because we use the whole day, we use things like this, and we wash hands, and it's crazy. But we have to do one time in the hour, washing the hands after you touch the device, after you repair the device. So I can't work by using towels. It's just it just doesn't work for me. So I work with my hands, but I clean every device which comes in with that before I work on it, and after that, and I clean my table after repair of the device, and I wash my hands again, and I do everything I can, but my hands don't like too much disinfection. So, okay, we get out the screws, and I want to see the board. So iPhone 6, if you got no IMEI, it's typically a baseband CPU issue. So we don't have to do long time measurements and things like. And yes, this phone was already repaired at a place. Do you see that? Okay, I don't have to search a long time. Let's go straight under the microscope and let's see what we got here. And yeah, this phone was already at a repair for baseband. So you see some UV on the left side, on the left top of the baseband CPU. So I think problem is there. Let's take out baseband CPU. Okay, I got it out. Post. Ne, kein Stau. I have to solve this one problem. One moment. Ich hab's unten bei dir hingestellt, das ist von Asmo. Ist von Asmo, ich hab's bei dir hingestellt. Kannst mal aufmachen, gucken, was drin ist. Okay. I thought a customer wanted to come in, but we can't let customers in at the moment. Only freight. Okay, let's clean the board. You see, I don't use a preheater, and I even can clean the board really good by using solder iron and the wick. Great. That has been cleaned in a good way. Now I just want to see if all is really flat. And that's pretty okay. Yeah. Jumpers look good, by the way. And only some NCs missing. So not a problem. What about that jumpers here on the top? They look pretty good. So I think the phone, perhaps the customer bought the phone and it was already repaired before. It has to be like that. Or the customer was at a repair shop for doing that. But I saw really works which looked more bad. So I think this could be solved by just a little reball of the baseband CPU. And I think they just didn't use good solder, or the reball wasn't perfect, so you got you got cold solder joints under the baseband CPU, and yeah, let's see. And yeah, here you see this and this and this. It just looks like a bad solder. No, Siri, I don't want to talk with you. I don't know why you want to talk with me. I do video and I tell something about solder, and then Siri says, can I help you? Yes, Siri, you can do my work, so I can get at home and just relax in the sun. Okay, looks fine. So let's just do a quick reball. Just need the right stencil. And I really love my gold stencils, so I want to use them for getting this reball done. Okay. Getting some solder. What are you searching, Andy? Okay. So if you want to see Andy in another video, just give me a comment. Andy started by doing videos for 3 or 4 days and then he stopped his career again. And reball has been done. Don't forget to take off this one solder ball here and just get in some more flux. Oh, we got new class syringes, so I will use this until it's over, and then I just will renew my class syringe because they were all broken and we had to order from China. Okay, quick reflow. Looks pretty good. And after that we can just get on the baseband CPU back to the board. And I'm pretty sure the phone showed the IMEI here at my place, but it wasn't shown at the customer. So I want to resolder the baseband CPU. And after that, I just want to test for some days. And after, or for some hours, not for some days, freezing the device, heating up the device and things like that. And if all that is okay and all works pretty nice, then we just mail out the device. Okay, so we are 100% sure that the error just doesn't come back, but with a reball like that, I don't think that we will ever have any problems or ever seeing back this device here. And you see it's 100% okay. Whoa! Oh, there. It's 100% okay and done. And now we can just turn the phone on again.
Generell ein IMEI-Verfahren ist möglich, also das machen wir auch. Das kommt dann immer aufs Rissbild an, ob es möglich ist oder ob es ebenso ablesen. Ja, der Homebutton ist zersplittert. Das ist meistens schlecht, weil das Glas an sich kann man nicht austauschen. Und es ist meistens dann auch ein Sensordefekt, wenn das dann wirklich nicht mehr funktioniert. In dem Fall wäre auch.
So we turn the phone on again.
Nee, wenn da vorne schon das Glas kaputt ist und die Touch ID funktioniert nicht, dann brauchen Sie das auch nicht einschicken. Dann ist das definitiv nicht mehr reparabel. Genau so ist es.
And we wait until the phone boots up. I just get in the code. Can you please give me a SIM card and your test SIM? Just connect. I can fang. Penner. Okay, so. Okay, we see the IMEI and we just wait for the network. We got bad network connection in here, but perhaps we get some network in here. Just wait. And after that, the repair's been done. I will clean up the board completely. I will resolder the shield, clean it again after that, and then I will do a complete functionality test, and then the device goes back to the customer. I just put it to a place where normally we should have network signal. It just can take some minutes here at the shop because it's really bad, the network connection in here. So I don't know if it works now, but I think we have an IMEI again, and I'm pretty sure that the phone works completely again. Okay, so it recognizes the SIM, but the network connection in here is really bad. So sometimes it works, sometimes it just doesn't work. So just put the SIM card in again, but I don't know if I can show you in this video the signal, because we are at an old house here, totally at the bottom with big walls, and it's really bad to get a signal in here. But I think I don't need to show that. It's okay. You see, we got an IMEI again, the phone is working, and I just want to check later. I go outside with the card in it and have a look that all is working fine. Okay, so I would say boom, back to life again. iPhone 6, no signal after prior repair attempt. I hope you like the video. If yes, just give me a thumbs up, click on subscribe, and give me some feedback. Okay, if you want to learn things like that easily, you can do that at the Board Level Repair School Germany. And if you're working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can just join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. I would be happy to see you there. And by the way, answer the questions, otherwise we can't accept you. And by the way, buy an ICC Pro, because it's the most amazing tool in the world, in my opinion. Okay, it's only my opinion. I'm out. We see us with the next one. Boom, back to life again. Here's Ben.